my lovely kids. This is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths Class 7 by Galaxy Publication. Now let's start chapter 6, Algebraic Expressions. In our previous class we introduced variables and came to know formation of algebraic expressions. In this class we shall learn some terms associated with algebraic expressions. We shall also learn operations like addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. But first, let us revise what we have studied earlier. Variable or literal does not have a fixed value. The value of variable keeps changing. The variables are denoted by small letters like x, y, z, a, b, c, like this. Constant has a fixed value. The value of a constant never changes, like 2, 0, minus 11. These all are constants. Now a combination like using plus, minus, multiply and division of constants and variables forms an algebraic expression. So some more terms. The first one, algebraic expression, an expression formed by using mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on variables and constants. So for example, 7x plus 20, x plus 8y minus 2z. So these are expression. Now B part, terms. The expressions are made by addition of terms. For example, in the expression 7x plus 20, the terms are 7x and 20 that add up to form the expression. Similarly, in the expression 7a plus 20 minus 25p, so we are adding 7a, 20 and minus 25p, so we are getting this expression. So it is to be noted that terms can be negative or positive. The next, factors. The terms are made up of the product of factors. For example, the term 9xp of expression 9xp plus 8y square has three factors, that is 9, x and p, and the term 8y square, that can also be written as 8 into y. So it has factors 8, y and y. Now the next is coefficient. The numerical factor of a term is called the coefficient of the term. For example, in the term 4xy, the factors are 4x and y. Out of the three factors, only 4 is the numerical factor. So here 4 is the coefficient of the term 4xy. Similarly, coefficient of this term 15x square y is 15. Now example 1, write the terms, factors and coefficients for the following expression. A part, 19xy plus 7. This is the expression. So terms are 19xy and 7. So factors are 19x and y and 7. Okay, and coefficients are 19 and 7. Now B part, minus 18pq plus x square z. So here terms are minus 18pq and x square z. So what are the factors? Minus 18, p and q and x, x and z, and coefficients are minus 18 and 1. Now C part, 90x square yp plus 67m. So terms are 90x square yp and 67m. Now write their factors, 90, x, x, y and p and 67 and m, and coefficients are 90 and 67. Similarly, D part, yz minus y, terms are yz and minus y, factors are yz and minus 1 and y, coefficients are 1 and minus 1. E part, 20x minus 9y, terms are 20x and minus 9y, and here factors are 20 and x and minus 9 and y, and here coefficients are 20 and minus 9. Now next, last part, F part, 16p square q minus 10xy plus 13n. So terms are 16p square q minus 10xy and 13n, and factors are 16ppq minus 10x and y and 13nn, and coefficients are 16, minus 10 and 13. Now example 2, write the coefficient for the following expressions. Now A part, x in 7xy. So here in the term 7xy, 7 and y are multiplied by x, यानी x को हम छोड़ देंगे, so 7y remaining portion, so coefficient of x is 7y. Now b part PQR in minus 10 PQR, so PQR को हम छोड़ देंगे, what is left minus 10. Okay, then c part q in minus 4 q square, so एक q को हम छोड़ देंगे, what is left minus 4q. Right, the next d part q square in minus 50 q square rs, leave q square minus 50 rs is the answer. Now e part x in x cube mn, so x को हम छोड़ देंगे, what is left x square mn. This is the coefficient. Now f part x square y in x cube y square, so what will you get? You will get xy only. Answer is xy. Example 3, write the numerical coefficient of the following terms. A part 56x cube yz, so what is the numerical coefficient? That is 56. B part minus 40xy, answer क्या आएगा? minus 40. C part 25 p cube q4, answer is 25. D part PQ only 1, E part minus Z तो minus 1, F part minus 38xyz, so that is minus 38. Now different types of algebraic expressions. A part monomial, if there is only one term in an expression, then it is called a monomial, like 10x minus y x square, these all are monomials. Now B part binomial means two terms. If there are two terms in an expression, then it is called a binomial, like x plus y, 15x square plus 4y minus 4p square cube plus p cube, like this. Now C part trinomial means if there are three terms in an expression, then it becomes a trinomial, like x plus y plus z minus x square plus y cube plus z4, so these are trinomials. Now D part polynomial, the expression with one or more than one term is called a polynomial. For example 2x plus y, 2x plus y minus z, these all are polynomial. Now here like and unlike terms. Like terms are the terms that have the same algebraic factors, that is same literal factors. For example 20ab and minus 3ba, ab and ba same thing, so these are like terms. 25a square c and 125ca square, these are like terms. X cube yz and 15y x cube z, these are like terms. Variables should be same, okay. And unlike term means the terms that have different algebraic factors. For example xy and x square y and 10x cube y, so these are different, so these are unlike terms. Now example 4, classify the following expression as monomial, binomial or trinomial. See A part u plus v plus w, कितनी terms हैं? 3 terms, so trinomial. B part ab plus c, how many terms? 2, answer is binomial. C part PQR, 1 term, monomial. D part, how many terms? 1, 2, 3, trinomial. E part 1 and 2, that is binomial. Now example 5, classify the following pairs of terms as like or unlike, like A part minus 2 and 5, both are constant, so these are like terms. B part 16x square y and minus 16x y square, variables are different, x square y है, इसमें x y square है, so these are unlike terms, okay. C part 4y and y raised to the power 4, variables different, so these are unlike, okay. Now here D part 16x cube y square z and 6y square z x cube, variable same, it means these are like terms, right. Now here exercise 1, based on such type of examples, see question number 1. Using constant variables and mathematical operation plus, minus, multiply and division, form the expression from the following statements. Like B part, the product of A and B added to the product of 5 and x. So what will you get? A into B, AB plus 5x. Okay. Now see D part, 1/2 of y added to twice x. Half of y plus twice 2 times of x. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Question number 2, write the terms and factors of each term of the following expressions. So you can try this one on your own. The third one, classify the following algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial or trinomial. Like B part, this is monomial. C part, how many terms? 2 terms, this is binomial. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fourth one, identify the pairs of like terms from the following pairs of terms. Like here, B part 78x cube y cube and minus 78 y cube x cube. Only see the variables. Variables are same, so these are like terms, right? Okay, like here F part 5xyz and minus 5xyz. Variables are same, so these are like terms. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth one, write the numerical coefficient for each term of the following expression. यानी हर एक term का हमने numerical coefficient find करना है. Like B part, here we have 3 terms, 2x cube, its numerical coefficient is 2, its numerical coefficient is 2, it is also 2. Okay, so like here H part 25xy plus 27x square y plus 14xy square. So what is the coefficient of this one? 25, and here 27, and here 14. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the sixth question, write the coefficient of the following. Like B part, a in a square plus b square. So a square में a का coefficient क्या होगा? Only a. So what is answer? Answer is a, right? Now here C part, x square in x square plus x plus 1. So first term x square, its coefficient is 1 only. Now F part, xyz in minus 10 x square yz square. So leave xyz, what is left? Minus 10 xz. Okay, so similarly you can try remaining parts. Now the next is addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Suppose you have 10 textbooks and your friend studying in some other school has 17 textbooks. So then how many textbooks do you have together? The answer is simple, 10 plus 17, that is 27. If we denote a textbook by n, then you have 10n and your friend has 17n. So then total is 10n plus 17n equals to 27n. Now suppose you have 10 textbooks and your friend has 15 notebooks. So can you add 10 textbooks and 15 notebooks? No, the answer is no. We can only say that we have 10 textbooks and 15 notebooks. So the addition of algebraic terms is similar to the addition shown above. See for example A part 25x plus 24x, दोनों में वेरिएबल सेम है तो इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, दैट इज 49x. B part 35x plus 24y, it is x, it is y, we can't add it, so leave it like this, right? Now C part 30x plus 100x plus 45x, सब में x है तो हम नंबर्स को ऐड कर देंगे, आंसर इज 175x. नाउ D पार्ट 5x plus y plus x plus z, 5x और x ये दोनों सेम वेरिएबल है तो इन दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे और बाकी टर्म्स को हम एज इट इज, सो आंसर इज 6x plus y plus z, right? So you can see therefore the algebraic expressions are added as follows. A part, to add the like terms we add the numerical coefficient of the terms and write the variables of the given terms with the sum of the numerical coefficient. यानी हम सिर्फ like terms को add कर सकते हैं, हमें सिर्फ उनके numbers को numerical coefficients को add करना है, like 2x plus 5x, so 7x और variable same आएगा, okay? Right? Now the next point, unlike terms cannot be added the way like terms can be added. Unlike terms को हम add नहीं कर सकते. See example 6, add the following terms. A part 3xy, 4xy and minus 2xy, all are like terms. तो इनके हम numerical coefficients ले लेंगे. 3 plus 4 minus 2, that is 5xy, right? Now B part 15x square yz and 2xyz, both are unlike. इन दोनों को हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे 15x² plus 2xyz. Now here C part minus 3x² 11x² and minus 10yz. So what to do? x² इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे, yz और yz इन दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. So see here what to do, combine these two and combine these two. So minus 3x² plus 11x², 8x², 1yz minus 10yz, that is minus 9yz. So now subtraction of algebraic expression is similar to the addition of algebraic expressions. The subtraction is done as follow, like A part, to subtract two like terms we subtract the numerical coefficients of the terms and write the variables of the given terms with the difference. And B part, unlike terms cannot be subtracted the way like terms can be subtracted. Okay, see example 7. Subtract the following terms. A part, x from 14x. So 14x minus x, like terms hai 14 minus 1, 13x. Okay, now B part, 15y² from minus 5y². So minus 5y² minus 15y², like terms hai minus 5 minus 15 minus 20y². Now C part, 16x³ yz from 3xyz. These are unlike, so how you will write it? 3xyz minus 16x³ yz. Now D part, AB from 15 minus 6AB. So 15 minus 6AB minus AB, 15 as it is, minus 6 minus 1 minus 7AB, right? Now example 8, simplify the following, like A part here, one expression plus second expression. Now what to do? हम क्या करेंगे? First bracket as it is, then plus sign, second bracket as it is. Now we can see we have x² x and constant here. So we are combining x², we are combining x, and we are combining constant. So what we are getting? 8x² minus 7x² plus 3x plus 4x minus 1 plus 6. So what we are getting? 8 minus 7, 1x² plus 7x plus 5. Now B part, A minus B plus bracket 2B minus 2C plus bracket 3C minus 3A. Now A minus B, this one as it is. Now combine AA, BB and CC. So A minus 3A plus minus B plus 2B plus minus 2C plus 3C. So A minus 3A is minus 2A plus B plus C, right? Now C part, 5p plus 7q minus 3p minus 4q plus minus 2p plus 5q. Now combine pp, qq like this. So here 5p plus 7q minus 3p plus 4q, because minus is here before the bracket, so we have to change the sign of the term. So this becomes minus 3p plus 4q and these one as it is. Now combine pp. So what will you get? 5p minus 3p minus 2p plus 7q plus 4q plus 5q. Now 5 minus 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 0p, and then 7 plus 4, 11 plus 5, 16q. Answer is 16q. Now G part, this expression minus the second expression. A minus sign है before the bracket, so what to do? Change the sign. So 24xy minus 10x minus 18y minus 30xy minus 12y minus 14x. Now combine xx, xy and yy. So 24xy minus 30xy plus minus 10x minus 14x plus minus 18y minus 12y. Now combine the numerical coefficients. So 24 minus 30, that is minus 6xy minus 10 minus 14 minus 24x, and here minus 18 minus 12 minus 30y. So this is the answer. Example 9, what should be subtracted from this to get this? इस एक्सप्रेशन में हम क्या माइनस करें कि ये आ जाए, यानी हम क्या करेंगे, इस एक्सप्रेशन में से इसको माइनस कर देंगे. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट, सो यू आर गेटिंग this one, right? Now example 10, what should be added to this to get this? इसमें हम क्या ऐड करें कि ये रिजल्ट आए? So result will be greater. तो रिजल्ट में से इस एक्सप्रेशन को हम माइनस कर देंगे. सो हेयर कंबाइन द लाइक टर्म्स, देन यू विल गेट दिस वन एज द answer. Now example 11, from the sum of these two subtract the sum of these last two. So what to do? Take the sum of these two minus sum of the last two. Now you can simplify it. So answer is this one. I hope these are clear to you. Now exercise 2 is based on such type of examples. See question number 1, add the following expressions. Like here B part, minus 7xy and 2xy. So what will you do? Minus 7xy plus 2xy. So what will you get? Minus 5xy. These are like terms, so we can add the coefficients, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. So now see here, G part 3a minus 2b plus c and a plus 2b minus 3c. So 3a minus 2b plus c, a plus 2b minus 3c. We can do by column way also, or we can do in one line also. So 3a plus a, 4a plus 2b minus 2b cancel, plus c minus 3c minus 2c. Okay, so this is the answer. Similarly you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 2, subtract the following expressions. Like here you can try D part, y minus 1 by 2 from 3y plus 5 by 2. So what will you write? 3y plus 5 by 2 minus bracket y minus 1 by 2. Because we have two terms here, so we have to write in the bracket this expression. Before here we have minus sign. So what to do? This one as it is, now change its sign. So minus y plus 1 by 2. So 3y minus y, that is 2y, plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 3. So answer is 2y plus 3, right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now you can try like G part, 2 plus p square minus 3pq plus 2q square from 2 plus 3p square minus 2pq plus 3q square. So what will you write? 2 plus 3p square minus 2pq plus 3q square. Then minus, and this expression 2 plus p square minus 3pq plus 2q square, right? Now what to do? Here minus is before the bracket, so change the sign of all the terms. So what will you get? These one as it is, 2 plus 3p square minus 2pq plus 3q square minus 2 minus p square plus 3pq minus 2q square, right? So now collect the like terms. 2 minus 2 cancelled. Now 3p square minus p square. So 3p square minus p square. Now minus 2pq plus 3pq. Then plus 3q square minus 2q square. Now what we are getting? 3 minus 1, 2p square minus 2 plus 3 plus 1pq and plus 3 minus 2 plus 1q square. Okay, we can combine the coefficient of the like terms and this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now come to question number 3. Simplify the following. Like here C part, ab square plus 4a square b minus 3a square b plus 2ab square plus 5ab square and 3ab square. So we have ab square and a square b terms. So what to do? Collect like terms. So ab square, then plus 8ab square plus 5ab square plus 3ab square, right? Now collect a square b term. So plus 4a square b minus 3a square b. Total how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means we have taken all the terms. So now combine the coefficients. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 5, 14. This is 14 and 3, that is 17ab square. Okay, and here 4a square b minus 3a square b, that is plus 1a square b. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now here, like fifth question, how much more is this expression than this? It means this is bigger than the second one. कितना ज़्यादा है? जब भी हम compare करते हैं how much less or how much more, it means we have to take their difference. So this is bigger. So this minus this. So what will you write? 15x cube plus 10x plus 2 minus bracket 13x cube minus x plus 5. Okay, so now we have here minus sign before this bracket. So the first bracket as it is, no change. Now change the sign of the second bracket, minus 13x cube plus x minus 5. So what will you get? 15x cube minus 13, 2x cube plus 10x plus 1x plus 11x plus 2 minus 5 minus 3. Similarly, you can try the remaining parts. I hope these are clear to you. The next we are talking about finding the value of an algebraic expression. The value of an algebraic expression varies with the change in the value of the variable or variables, because an algebraic expression is dependent on the variable. For example, if the expression is x plus 1, अगर हम x को 1 लेंगे, its value is 1 plus 1, 2. If x is 2, its value is 2 plus 1, 3. If x is 3, its value is 3 plus 1, that is 4, and so on. So hence, with the change in the value of the variable, the value of the expression also changes. Now example 12, find the value of the given expression for the given value of the variable. Like A part, 125 minus 4x square for x equal to 5. तो x को हम 5 पुट कर देंगे. So 125 minus 4 into 5 square. So 5 into 5, 25. So 125 minus 4 into 25. So 125 minus 100. So answer is 25. Okay. Now B part, x square plus y square minus xy for x1 and y minus 2. So x को 1 put कर देंगे और y को minus 2. So what will you get? So here 1 square plus minus 2 square minus 1 into minus 2. So now put x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. So 1 square plus minus 2 square minus 1 into minus 2. So 1 square is 1 plus 4 minus minus plus 2. So answer is 7. Now do C part, 15m square upon 5 minus m cube plus 40 minus 6m for m equal to 3. तो m को हम क्या पुट कर देंगे? 3 पुट कर देंगे. So 15 into 3 square upon 5 minus 3 cube plus 40 minus 6 into 3. So now just calculate it. 5 3s are 15. So what will you get? You will get 27 minus 27 plus 40 minus 18. So 27 minus 27 cancel. So 40 minus 18, answer is 22, right? Now example 13, find the value of p if x cube minus px plus 10x square minus 6 equals to 5 for x is minus 1. अब यहाँ पर हमें x को minus 1 पुट करना है और पूरे एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू गिवन है, that is equal to 5, and now we have to find the value of p. So x equal to minus 1, what will you get? Minus 1 cube minus p into minus 1 plus 10 into minus 1 square minus 6 equal to 5. Now evaluate it. So minus 1 plus p plus 10 minus 6 equal to 5. So what is p? P is 2, right? Now application of algebraic expressions. Now algebraic expressions can be applied to various situations. For example, A part, to find the perimeter of a square, we use the algebraic expression 4 into side, 4 into s, where S is the side. Okay. B part, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we use the algebraic expression 2 into L plus B, where L is length and B is breadth. C part, to find the area of a square, we use the algebraic expression S into S, side square S square. Okay. Now D part, to find the area of a rectangle, we use the expression L into B, where L is length and B is breadth. Now the next, to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with side S, we use the algebraic expression 3 into side. Now the next, we use algebraic expression to form number patterns, geometrical patterns, etc. Now here example 14. A wire 5x plus 10 meters in length was cut short by x minus 5 meter. What is the length of the remaining wire? तो हम क्या करेंगे, टोटल में से this piece we have to minus. So 5x plus 10 minus x minus 5. So change the sign of this bracket. So 5x plus 10 minus x plus 5. Now combine the like terms. So 4x plus 15. Now example 15, the triangles given in the figure are formed using matchsticks. Observe the pattern and fill the blanks in the following table. Now come to exercise 3 based on this type of examples. See here question number 2, 3 sides of a triangle are 6x square plus x minus 1, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 and minus x square plus 4x plus 1. Find the perimeter. Perimeter means sum of all the sides. तो हम इन तीनों expressions को add कर देंगे. So 6x square plus x minus 1 plus 2x square minus 3x plus 5 minus x square plus 4x plus 1. Now combine the like terms. 6x square plus 2x square, 8x square minus 1x square, it becomes 7x square. Now plus 1x minus 3x and plus 4x. So plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2x. Now take the constants. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 and plus 1 plus 5. Okay. So this is the perimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Now here, like the fifth question, filling the table by substituting the values in the given expression. Now here different expressions given and different value of the variable. So here like 2x minus 5. So if x is 0, what is the value of 2x minus 5? So 2 into 0 minus 5 means minus 5 only. Now if x is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 5 means minus 2 minus 5 means minus 7. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now the sixth question, simplify the following expression and find their value for the given values of the variable. First हमें simplify करना है और फिर variable की value को substitute करना है. Like B part 4x square plus x minus 10, and here before second expression we have minus sign. So now open the bracket means change the sign of the terms. So we are getting this. So 4x square minus 4x square cancelled, plus x minus 5x minus 4x minus 10, and now x is 3. तो x को 3 पुट कर देंगे. 4 into 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 10. So minus 12 minus 10, that is minus 22, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. See the question number 7, for what value of a will minus p cube plus 15ap plus p square minus 9 equal to 16? Now see 8th question, for what value of p will the expression 16x plus 2x square plus 5p equal to 50 at x equal to minus 3? Now we have to find p. We know x is minus 3 and the expression value is 50. So now substitute 16 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 power 2 plus 5p equals to 50, right? So what will you get? Minus 48 and minus 3 into minus 3, 9 into 2 plus 18 plus 5p equals to 50. So minus 30 plus 5p equals to 50. So 5p equals to 50 plus 30, that is 80. So what is p? P is 16. P equals to 16, right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now this is the time of mental maths. Question number 1, filling the blanks. Like here, D part, the numerical coefficient in 5x square y is, so what is the number? Number is 5. Okay, so now here, like H part, two polynomials each of degree 5 are added. The maximum and minimum degree of the resulting polynomial is 5, okay, and 0 respectively. So I hope these are clear to you. Now the second one, write T4 true and F4 false. Like here, C part, two unlike terms cannot be added to get a single term. Yes, this statement is true. Like G part, 5xy and 5pq are like terms. No, this is false. These are unlike. So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Okay. Now this is the time of maths lab activity titled Balancing an Algebraic Equation. Objective: after performing this activity, the students will be able to understand the concept of balancing an algebraic equation. So prerequisite knowledge: the first one, concept of variables and constant, and the second, concept of algebraic expression. Material required: paper, pencil, eraser. So you can try this one. I hope this is clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.